Gluten Free Pastry 101. I have my gluten-free flour, pastry flour. I have my salt, and I have my shortening. I would prefer using lard, but I can't find any here in Central America. So this is in the food processor, and I will pulse it 12 to 14 times until it resembles crumbs. Now that I've pulsed it, I'm going to add some of the egg water vinegar mixture and scrape down the sides. Then I've pulsed it until it becomes this ball, and you want it to be on the wet side because the flour is going to absorb the moisture while it's in the fridge for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. And you would prefer to put it in the fridge wet so you don't get crumbly pastry crust. So you take your chilled dough, lay out some plastic wrap, use a little bit of your flour mixture, put the dough in, cover it again with more plastic wrap, and then roll it out. And then that way, when you need to lay it in the pans, you pick it up this way. Make sure you bake it at 425 for 10 to 15 minutes, then 350 when you're baking for pies. And also make sure the dough is chilled before going in the oven. You're welcome. Gluten-free pastry dough doesn't brown like regular. So baste it before baking with egg whites, and don't forget to poke for ventilation, and you'll do just fine. You're welcome.